Hello again, young paleontologists and artists. I'm so glad you are here. Let me share a Stegosaurus drawing lesson with you. My picture starts with a line drawing, then becomes very colorful, and yours can be too. Mine has some dots, stripes and squiggly lines, but it is only one way you could color your drawing. You could make it any color or pattern you fancy. You can include your own decorations after we learn how to draw the shape. But it also can be simple, and that's where we will start. Stegosaurus could grow up to 25 feet long and weigh over 5 metric tons. Let's start drawing Stegosaurus by drawing his chin, belly and tail bottom. Think of your drawing as valleys and hills. The chin is a tiny valley here. Then the jawline is a little bigger, but still a small valley. The throat is a tiny hill. And then let your line create a pretty big valley for the Stegosaurus belly. Complete that line with a flat tail at the end. Now let's draw another line with more hills. The head will be a medium-sized hill. After the head is a medium valley that is the back of the neck. And then a big hill for the Stegosaurus back. Finally, just let that line slope down to meet the bottom line at the tip of the tail. Don't worry if your drawing looks different than mine. That's what makes it uniquely yours. Let's add some legs. All of the legs are wide at the top and at the bottom. This will allow for toes. 1 and 2 and 3. Notice it is even taller. Then the fourth. Where the two legs overlap the body, you can erase the overlapping lines of the belly, like this. I bet your Stegosaurus is starting to look solid and strong on those 4 legs. Let's add some toes. Stegosauruses have 5 toes on each foot, but we will only show 2 or 3 toes on each foot because we are creating a side view of the Stegosaurus. The other toes are hidden from view. Let's add a mouth. You can make your mouth with a smile if that would make you happy. Then create a beautiful big eye, like this. Stegosaurus is a herbivorous dinosaur from the late Jurassic period. They liked to graze on low-lying plants. Stegosaurus was known for the large flat plates along its back and sharp spikes on its tail. These kite-shaped plates might have helped keep it cool and protect it from predators. When drawing a Stegosaurus, remember to add these unique features. Draw 16 plates. The plates are smaller near the head and tail, and larger in the middle of the back. I like to draw 8 spaced apart first. Then add more to the in-between spaces. Of course we can't forget the tail spikes. Scientists believe that the 2 pairs of tail spikes were used by the Stegosaurus to defend themselves. I'm adding the rest of the plates in between the 8 plates I started with. Notice how they looked tucked behind the first 8. If your plates look different than mine, don't worry. Remember that there are no mistakes, only variations when it comes to my drawing lessons. Let's see. What did I miss? Oh my, I almost forgot the other spike. There we go. I like to add a ground line, and let's give the Stegosaurus a plant to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow! That was more work than I realized when I started this project. If you've made it this far, all I can say is, well done. Now we can have some fun with coloring. Remember, you can make your dinosaur any color you want. I also like to color in the leaves and the ground and the sky. When I decorate my drawings, I often add some things that look real, and other things that don't. We don't know what colors adorned dinosaurs when they were alive. But we can guess that some might have been very colorful like we see in other species of animals that are living today. Think about how colorful animals like birds, lizards, fish and horses are. Lots of animals have wild colors, so why not add creative colors to your Stegosaurus? If you are happy with your drawing, that is fantastic. If you are not, you might have to draw this Stegosaurus a few times before you are satisfied with your drawing. Remember, each time you practice a drawing, your artistic skills get better and better. Then, before you know it, you are an artist. You can find a link to a coloring page with this Stegosaurus in the comments. That might help you remember how to draw this creature in the future. Thank you for watching my dinosaur drawing lesson. If you like this video, Please subscribe to my channel and I will make more videos like this one. Have a wonderful day.